G tuning. It sounds great and it opens up a whole new world of some pretty easy stuff. So I can't wait to show it to you. If you're watching this on YouTube, you're going to see a nice short version of this video. For the complete version, check out my website where you can find lots of other great videos not available on YouTube. So let's talk about open G tuning. You've got to loosen some of your strings, but it's also important to know the strings that don't need any attention whatsoever. Second string B, don't touch it. Same for the third G string and the fourth D string. Leave them alone, okay? But you're going to loosen your first, fifth, and sixth, okay? First string, loosen it down to D. Sixth string, also loosen it to D. Fifth string, loosen it down to G. Okay, that's going to make those strings a little bit easier to press down. That's good news, right? Remember, when you're tuning strings, when you're specifically loosening strings to get to another note, bring the string down just a little bit below pitch, and then make your final move a tightening move. That helps the gears in your tuning machines do their jobs better. Okay, so make your final move a tightening move when you bring it to the right note. Now, when all is said and done, turn off your tuner or your guitar tuner app on your phone and do what I call a reality check. You should hear 6 really harmonious notes, okay? Let your ear be the final judge. Now, what you have, open G tuning, you have the 3 notes from a G major chord, G, B, and D. In fact, we have multiple Ds, right? D delta. You have 2 Gs and 1 B. But hey, 1 B is all we need. So everything there is part of a G major chord or G major triad. All right, so now let's have some fun. Let's start you off with 3 chords that are going to help you play a million songs, G, C, and D7. Chances are you already used those 3 chords to play some songs in the conventional tuning. Now let's do it in the open G tuning. So a G major chord, yeah, you know, it's just open strings. We get that for free, right? A C major chord bears a resemblance to the other C that you know in conventional tuning, index finger, 2nd string, 1st fret, middle finger, 4th string, 2nd fret, but now watch out, ring finger, 1st string, 2nd fret. No fat strings, so don't strum the fat string. For some extra color, sometimes people will lift away that ring finger for the open 1st string. A nice little embellishment there. Now, stay on the C chord for me, 3 fingers, because we're about to move to D7, and your index can stay planted right there. So, index, same place. The middle finger move to the 5th string, 2nd fret. The ring finger move to the 3rd string, 2nd fret. And now you can strum all 6. So we have the G, C, and D7. All right? Find any song, especially one that you already know, with G, C, and D7 chords, or G, C, and D chords, and substitute the conventional chords with these new chords in open G tuning. And you're off and running, right? How about a 1-finger blues riff in open G tuning? I'm going to use my index finger with my fretting hand. My right hand is going to employ alternate picking. That means I'm going to start with a down, and I'm going to follow that with an up and a down and an up, back and forth, right, with no exceptions. Down, up, down, up. That's going to create a nice flow. Okay, check it out. Okay, smooth and steady. Of course, you want to practice it slower at first. Now, to give it a nice bluesy feel, slide into those 3s like this. Okay, just a quick slide from the 2nd fret up to the 3rd fret. Or definitely gives a nice bluesy feel. Okay, YouTubers, I know you want some more stuff here, right? So, for the complete version of this video, check it out at Songbike. Remember, there's a lot more videos there for you. Lots of great stuff you can now find on YouTube. I'll see you over at Songbike. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.